Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The Sweet area northeast of Edmonton, known as the Industrial Heartland, is a growing centre for industrial investment. It is home to 40 companies, several of them with international reach. Given that this region's growth has resulted in increased traffic volume, to the Minister of Transportation, what have you done to ensure to improve road infrastructure in this area?
The Honourable Minister of Infrastructure and Transportation.
Mr. Speaker, and thank you to the member for a question. As part of our $29.5 billion capital plan, Transportation is investing more than $5 billion in provincial highway networks to put Albertans back to work, connect communities, and improve safety and travel on our highways. Mr. Speaker, that includes the twinning of Highway 15 bridge over North Saskatchewan River into Port Saskatchewan, and it will support economic development in the industrial heartland. We're also making significant intersection improvements at Highway 15, 37 and 825, as well as at Highway 28 and 37.
Thank you, Honourable Minister. First supplemental.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Given that the entire industrial heartland area requires road infrastructure supports now and into the future, to the Minister of Transportation, how are you determining the best way to manage growth in this area?
Honourable Minister.
Thanks very much for the question. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. To proactively address these concerns, we have 3 studies underway. These include a study of the Northeast River crossing, a provincial high-load corridor study, which is critical to support the heavy industry in our province, including in the industrial heartland, and a study for the entire Northeast sector, Mr. Speaker. We're going to be developing long-term infrastructure and develop a plan for the industrial heartland with a focus on making life better and to build our economy and create jobs for Albertans, Mr. Speaker.
Second supplemental.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Given that some proposed long-term projects could result in further loss of valuable agricultural land, which produces some of the province's highest quality produce, to the Minister of Transportation, what steps are you taking to ensure this land is protected and will continue to thrive as it is an important resource?
Honourable Minister.
Thanks very much, Mr. Speaker, and thanks for the question. We know that there's extremely valuable farmland northeast of Edmonton. It's a very special area with its own microclimate that produces all sorts of market garden products. So I had the study revised, the terms of reference, to require that there would be environmental sustainability and that protection of prime agricultural land will be included in the terms of reference of the study, Mr. Speaker.